Hey everybody, a quick update on the she shed. The last couple of weeks have been pretty busy with work, so been working on the she shed on and off for the last couple of weeks. We got the doors finally built. We did a barn door on both sides, and then we ended up deciding to do plexiglass inside the doors. We're going to come back and seal it with, your typical caulking. This is the same door on the other side. Got the barn door in. We actually found the kits, the actual barn door kits off Amazon. So it was, I think it was like $40 a kit. And so it's like a little handle that hangs up on both of them, and with your wheels and your hardware at the bottom. In the inside, we got the electrical complete. Ashley and I got some insulation outside, so we're gonna we did a Home Depot run today to get some insulation, and so we're gonna put R19 insulation in top and R13 in the walls. And part of it is Ashley will probably be working around this year round, and so it'll help keep the temperature in here a little bit more consistent. So she didn't want to do air conditioning, so we're going to end up going with a fan. So hopefully in the next couple of days, once we get insulation in, we'll start running drywall. And then our little clear story windows, we actually going to put regular 1/8 of inch glass in. We get that cut sometime this week and put it in install. So that's it.